Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pineapple, and today we are doing another Roblox video. But like I said in the last video, so in the last video I said this was the end of Tower of Hell, but actually it is. I can't click it. Okay, sorry guys, I just had to move you guys. So today we are playing Bad Business. So this game is super fun. Sorry, this is just my energy drink to keep me going for you guys. Okay. Okay, so there's an event going on. It's called Area 51, and I'm going to show you my character. It's awesome. It's Roblox with love. Roblox with load. So this is my character. Yeah. So I have the TV head, the red gloves, and I need to get a new outfit. Casual. Oh. I'm gonna wear this. Then I'm gonna go to the pants. Military. Casual. I'm gonna go with the military pants. And then the gloves, I already have the gloves, the hat, casual. I have the bot equipped. So, they look really cool. So these are my skins. I have the alien skins. They're really cool. I like them. So it's gun game. Would look awesome. So this is the Area 51 map. Okay, this is very loud. This game you gotta watch it back. And I killed me and then he died. Okay, so this gun's okay. It's just not as good as my other guns. Come on. What? So you only get new guns on when you actually kill somebody, not assists. I lied. I killed him myself. What? Come on. Okay, so this is my pistol. This is the pistol I have equipped. Got him. Okay, so I have this gun. on! How did I not kill that guy? I put 3 bullets in him. Oh, I have a sniper. Come on, I have a sniper. That didn't work. Okay. Sorry about that, like, quietness, but I have to concentrate. Let's see, clothes. I wanna get this. Never mind, I don't want that. I do have 340, so I can get 2,000. Okay. You can do this. Goku Gamer. Oh my gosh, my friend would love that guy. He's like the perfect name. I forgot about that guy. Okay, I'm at a dead end. Oh, shoot. Well, guys, that's all the time we have for today. Bye!